Yeah, hello. Sangeeta has come. Sangeeta is the girl who is working in the cooperative bank, correct? Adira has come. Adira from Kerala. Yashashvi is coming. Yashashvi, Uttar Pradesh candidate. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. And I was just sharing this paper for you. Spoken English, with simple only today. Simple things. These are common expressions. We have already studied that in another class. And then we can go to travel directions. Yeah. Adira, can you read from this? Adira, are you able to see the screen? Can you read from this? Adira. Adira, are you able to hear me? Adira, are you able to hear me? Ask to unmute. Adira. Adira sound, I mean, internet is not all right. Yashashvi, you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but these are very simple things for you. Now, how to make it difficult for you? These are all very simple things. I don't feel like asking you to talk about this. Now, what did you read since yesterday evening till now, Yashashvi?
Sir, I read about monetary policy today in brief. I
Yeah.
haven't read the original speech given by the governor. I just looked it at from above, just briefed about it. And I read about some current affairs related to banking, that the financial inclusion index was declared by RBI.
Okay.
And PNB is PNB is getting a stake. It is investing rupees 500 crore in the PNB Housing Finance Limited.
Oh,
RBI has approved this thing.
very good. Excellent. Now, you used one word. What is that? Financial inclusion. Can you please talk to us? What do you understand by financial inclusion?
Yeah. Okay. Financial inclusion refers to the term that when people who are underserved or out of the financial institutions or financial infrastructure of the country, when when the policies are or measures are taken such that so that they can be included in the financial sector, like through banks, through their accounts, through giving them credit through formal system, insurance policies, and linking to them the post office policies.
Correct, correct. What you said was not wrong. Let us see what our Varalakshmi has got to tell us about what she understands by financial inclusion. The idea is we want to communicate in English. That is the idea. Financial inclusion. Tell me.
Financial inclusion means in rural areas some people doesn't have any idea about financial.
Yeah.
So people who doesn't have minimum idea about banking services and financial services, for that, we will tell to them about financial status and banking services.
Are you able to see the screen or not able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir, I am able to see.
Acha, acha. Good, good, good. Excellent. Now, 1 minute. Why it is not coming? Yeah. Yeah. Now, who else will speak? Adira, can you tell me about what is financial inclusion? Adira, Your sound is not all right. I think for her internet is not all right. I think so. Oh, there's the problem. Problem is Adira. Then Sangeeta, can you hear me? Sangeeta, can you hear me? Sangeeta has got no mic at all because it is not showing any mic at all. Sangeeta, not audible. See, that is the problem. So please log out. Please log out and re-log in. Please log out and re-log in. Okay. Please, Sangeeta, I think I will make her remove so that she can come again. Yeah. Yeah, please come again, Sangeeta. Why are you not able to come? It's okay. Now you are able to see that screen. Varalakshmi.
Yes,
Vara-
sir.
Varalakshmi, what are you seeing now on the screen?
Karnataka Gramin Bank.
Actually, that was not in my mind, but still it has come. Why don't you read that? Please read.
Positive pay system on check truncation system.
Hmm.
To reduce instances of fraud, RBI has introduced a new mechanism, positive pay system, from January 1st, 2021 for all checks of 50,000 rupees and above.
Now I think Bank of Baroda says it is 5 lakhs or so. I don't know what is the limit in Karnataka Bank. We will see that. Now please go through. Study.
Objective, the concept of positive pay involves a process of reconfirming key details of large value checks for the CT instruments. Under this process, before presentation of the instrument, the account holder submits the detail of the check. Is account number, check number,
No.
check
VIZ means namely.
name,
Name,
namely
namely, that is the details
account
of the account number.
check number, check date, check amount, transaction code, MICR code, and payee name.
Hmm.
Electronically for the amount of 50,000 rupees and above through following channels.
But again, regarding amount, I am not sure. Bank of Baroda says 5 lakhs.
Sir, the RBI has given the mandate for 5 lakh and the banks can reduce it as per their own convenience.
Acha,
Yes.
Oh, very good. Who told this? Yes, Shashvi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, to inquire, you please read from here, Varalakshmi. To inquire the status of the check.
Of the check, kindly use check status inquiry option. Important, availing this facility is at the discretion of the account holder. Those checks details which are available in PPS will alone be accepted under dispute resolution mechanism of the CTS grids.
PPS means positive pay system. Very good.
PPS means check truncation.
PPS means CTS means check truncation system. Now, Varalakshmi, can you tell me what is check truncation system?
Check truncation means this is for security purpose, sir.
No. I am asking what is check truncation system?
Check truncation.
I will ask SSV. SSV, tell me what is check truncation system?
Sir, it is the process through which the checks are cleared, the online process. Now there is no physical depository. The banks they click the photo of the check, and through this there is online clearance of checks only.
Very good. Nowadays, the physical checks are not being sent to the paying branch. Only the image of the check is being sent to the paying branch. Based on that, the checks are being passed. Could you understand, Varalakshmi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And regarding financial inclusion, whatever you have told is not wrong. But telling briefly, we can tell like this. Financial inclusion is providing banking and insurance services to the poorest of the poor at cheaper rates. That's all. We don't have to tell about rural area, this area, that area, and all. Even in urban areas, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme is adopted, whereby people were permitted to open account with nil balance. So it is applicable in urban areas also. So the crux of the matter is providing these services at the cheaper rates, like say PMJDY account, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana account, where you permit them to open without balance and also give them 10,000 rupees overdraft. Then say giving schemes like Atal Pension Yojana, then Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, insurance schemes. So these are done with a view to making them avail these services at cheaper rates. Very good. Nice. Suddenly this point came because Yashashvi was talking about it. So I wanted to use that here. Now, I am not able to see what I have shared with you. That is why now the problem is 1 minute. I have shared with you which one. So many things are there. No? Just a minute. Federal Bank interview not required. Just a minute. I'll share. Hold on. Please hold on. There's some problem. Yeah. Now I think. Adira, why are you not able to talk? Are you not able to hear us?
Sir, I think some network issues. Here is raining. So that
I know. It is raining. So you can only hear but not speak. Correct?
yes, sir. When I was first joined, audio is not. It is not audible.
Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
So you are now staying in which place? Or throughout Kerala, it is in floods now. Which part of
Yes,
Kerala?
sir.
Where are you now?
Kerala, North region.
This is not the answer. Tell me the name of the place.
Kozhikode.
Kozhikode. Okay. Now don't ask me whether I will understand, but that is better than this one. Calicut, correct?
Yes, Calicut.
Calicut only our not Devapriya Das has come to Kottayam. She is now in Kottayam. Yeah. Now Adira.
Kottayam South region.
Now please read about this work. Are you able to see this on the screen? Read.
No, sir.
You are not seeing?
No.
Oh, nothing is seen. $6 per work per hour. $6 per work per hour. Now are you seeing something?
Yes.
Acha, please read.
$6 per hour. Are you waiting for someone? Are you working today? Bring me shirt, please. Do you like?
Hello. Only 5 words are there. You are reading one mistake. Why? Read correctly.
$6 per hour. Are you waiting for someone? Are you working today? Bring me my shirt, please.
What did you read earlier? You read bring me shirt, please. You omitted it. Because that it doesn't convey meaning.
Okay, sir.
Only when you say bring me my shirt, it conveys meaning. Now read. Do you like?
Okay. Do you like to watch TV? Do you like your boss? Have you finished studying? He is an engineer. He is very hardworking. He works at a computer company in New York. How long have you worked here? How many hours a week do you work?
Hmm.
How much money do you have?
Hmm.
How's the weather?
Hmm.
How was the trip?
Hmm.
I forget.
Hmm.
I am good. I
I
am
am good.
ready.
I am good means normally this is not very much comfortable in, I mean, common in India. Whenever somebody asks you, would you like to take coffee? What we will say, Varalakshmi, answer me in English. Varalakshmi, you are coming to my house. I am asking you, Varalakshmi, would you like to have coffee? What will you tell me?
Yeah, we will have.
Acha, you say we will have, no? We will have is I was asking you, would you like to have coffee? What should be your answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, yeah, I would like to have coffee.
Okay, yes, I would like to have coffee. Fine. Now, supposing you want to say you don't want to take coffee, what you will say?
I I wouldn't like to have coffee.
Whereas here in say America, they use only this. I am good. That means there is no need. They are not interested in taking coffee. I am good. That means I don't want. Understand? Doesn't matter. Now, Adira, where are you? I am ready. Please read.
I am ready. I still have a lot of things to buy.
Hmm.
I have seen it.
Hmm. Can you tell me a circumstance where you used these words? I still have a lot of things to buy. When will you tell this? Talk in English only.
Okay. If there is a lot of things to complete
Hmm. Wrong.
or
Adira, wrong. Adira, wrong. You are what degree?
max.
Mathematics degree. Why are you telling like this? What is the sentence? I still have a lot of
Have a
things to
lot
buy.
of things to
When
buy.
when
There is
we
a
when we will tell like this?
if we want to purchase a lot of things
Hmm. Hmm.
uh, during or going for a shopping.
Hmm. Hmm. So when we go for a shopping, when we are in the halfway through, when somebody asks us, have you finished shopping? Then we will tell, I still have a lot of things to buy. Could you follow?
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, Vara Lakshmi, please read.
What does he do for work?
Hmm.
What does your father do for work?
Hmm.
What do you do for work?
Hmm.
What do your parents do for work?
Actually, this is one way of asking, but in India, normally we ask what are you? What is he? What is your father? That means we have to tell what is the job he or she is doing. Could you follow Varalakshmi now?
Ah, yes, sir.
Very good. And continue. What is the matter?
What's the matter? What time do you go to work every day?
Everything nice, Varalakshmi. Smile and read.
Okay, sir.
Don't. I know you have lot of worries. Forget them and start smiling and read.
Okay, sir.
Mm,
When do you arrive in the US? When
mm,
do you get off work?
mm,
Where did you put it?
mm,
Where does it hurt? Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go? Continue.
Does it often snow in the winter in Massachusetts?
I also cannot pronounce that. Massachusetts, whatever it is. Some place in America. Does it often snow in the winter? That means in winter, will snow be there quite often? That's what they are asking. Continue.
Do you think it will rain today?
Ah.
Do you think it's going to rain tomorrow?
Mm,
How is business?
mm,
Is it close? Is it possible? Is it ready?
mm.
It cost $20 per hour. It's not here. It's far from here. It is going to be hot today. It is north of here.
What is the meaning of that? It is north of here means?
It is north of here means it is in direction of north.
From our house. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Continue. It is?
It is over there. It is raining. It is too late. It is very important. It will arrive shortly. The roads are slippery. What will the weather?
You have omitted one sentence.
What is the room rate?
Where will we ask like this? What is the room rate? Where will we ask this?
When we living for a short term, like taken room for rent.
When we go for taking a room on rent.
Yes.
When we go to a hotel, before checking in, we will ask like this. Continue. What will be? What will the weather be like tomorrow? Good. Very good. Nice. Now we will go to SSV. SSV, are you there with us? I want to give something tough for you because you are going for ECGs. You are there, na?
Yes.
Most common English words. Yeah, these are all very simple. Yeah, Phil, still, but doesn't matter. Read about.
About of quantities, imprecise but fairly close to correct.
When do we use about?
Except
When do we use about?
when we want to tell about something.
No, this is not the answer. Correct answer is something else. When we use the term about, when we are going to tell about something, the details of which is not fully clearly known to us exactly. For example, what is the total deposit of Federal Bank? We say 1,81,000 crores. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like ECGC, what is the total business of ECGC in the last year?
Sir, I haven't seen that. Their annual report is not out till now.
No, you go through the previous report at least.
Okay, sir.
Please study that so that you can answer some of my questions. Continue. Next, accept.
Accept, receive willingly something given or offered.
Yeah, will you accept the job offered by ECGC? Supposing ECGC gives job, will you accept it?
Yes.
Yeah,
Sir.
very good. Next.
Account, a record or narrative description of past events.
Yeah.
Across to the opposite side. Act, behave in a certain manner. Action, something done, usually as opposed to something said. Add, join or combine like with others.
After
happening at a time subsequent to a reference time. Again, anew.
Then again anew. Age.
Age, how long something has existed. Aid, the activity of contributing to the fulfillment of a need. Air, a mixture of gases required for breathing. Allow, make it possible for something to happen. Answer, a statement made to reply to a question or criticism. Very good. We'll stop with this. I want to share with you one happy this thing. A girl has written to me today stating that she has come out successful in the recent Exim Bank interview. Exim Bank, she has been selected and she is telling it here. I'll share that with you now. Just a minute. I will share that with you. I am the Telegram group.
I have posted, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The questions are like this. She has shared the questions to us so that it may be of use for other candidates also. I have shared it in Telegram. No.
No,
No,
sir,
no.
the questions are not there, but that result is there.
Acha, the result information is there. Questions are given here. I think it is not visible. I don't know why it is. 1 minute. Hold on. Why it is not visible? Okay. I will read from my cell phone. I will read from my cell phone. It will be useful for you.
Yes.
It will be useful for you. Exim Bank. Just a minute. I am 80. Her number, name also I may not remember. What is the name she has given? Nega Pradhan. Nega Pradhan. I think she is from Mumbai or so. For her, she has given the questions here like this. Tell me about yourself. Is it good for Exim Bank to earn profit? Now put the same question to you. Is it good for ECGC to earn profit? Next, what is your
It is written that, sir, it is written that it is a non-profit organization.
You mean ECGC?
Yes, sir. I saw the previous quarter financial results, so they don't show anything as profit because it is a non-profit organization.
Very good. What is your biggest achievement in life? My family background. Why did you do CA over MBA? As my brother is MBA. I mean, this girl has done chartered accountancy. From which college did you complete BCom graduation? Tell me where you see yourself over 5 years in personal and professional life. What does India exports and imports? This is the question I asked you.
Yes, sir.
This is the question I asked you. Tell me, what is expected credit loss method? Tell accounting treatments as per Indian accounting standard. This is not relevant for you because this is only for chartered account. Yeah. Which newspaper do you read? How inflation can be addressed, which is an ongoing problem before the pandemic. See, very same. Even today, this question is relevant. Why Exim Bank gives loan to such African countries? What does Exim does? Products of Exim Bank. You can change it reverse. What is ECGC's products? What are the risks which Exim Bank can face while lending loans to overseas projects? Very much applicable to ECGC.
Yes, sir.
Contingent assets, what are they and how they are showed in balance sheet? This question may not come for you because she is a chartered accountant. What is horizontal and vertical balance sheet? This is also not for you. What components are there in term loans will be there, like working capital and all. Ratios used in calculate term loans. As a loan officer in Exim Bank, to which sectors you will give loans and to which sectors you will discourage. This is what it is. Of course, Exim Bank is more or less like banking. So those were the questions. It
gives loans.
Yeah, very good. So nice. Now we will get back to our, I tried to share it. I could not share that with you. Now, which one shall we go? We will go to spoken English. Yeah. Now, can you continue reading? SSV, anybody else is there with us now? Anybody else is there? Nobody.
No, only
Adira, SSV and Varalakshmi only. Yeah.
Yes.
Because for many people, the internet is not all right. Kerala people, internet is not all right. Please read this area.
Area, the extent of a two-dimensional surface within a boundary. Arm, a human limb.
1 minute. arm, human limb. Then army.
Army, a permanent organization of a nation's military land forces. Ask, make a request or demand for something to somebody. Attack, an offensive against
what is the difference between asking and requesting?
The request is more in a polite manner. I think that I'm requesting, and asking is when the superior asks. Usually it is when just your superior will ask, so you are obliged to tell.
Very good. Continue. Attack.
An offensive against an enemy. Attempt, make an effort. Back, the posterior part of a human or animal body.
Bad.
Bad, having undesirable or negative qualities.
But
bank.
No, result. In terms of banking, bad bank means what?
Bad bank means the one where the bank gives their sell their NPAs, and bad bank sort of either restructures them and sell them of a later date when their price increases.
No. That the bad bank will not restructure. Bad bank, what they are doing, they are purchasing from a bank at a discounted rate. Then they will take steps for recovery.
Okay.
It is known as asset reconstruction company.
Yes.
Please read about this. This will be of use for you. Asset reconstruction company, bad bank. This was introduced during Nirmala Sitharaman's budget about 2 years back or 1 year back. Yeah. Now, next one, bank. Read.
Financial institution that accepts deposits and lends money. Base, lowest support of a structure. Champion, someone who has won first place in a competition. Everyday, commonplace and ordinary. Beat, hit repeatedly. Become, come into existence.
Best,
having the most positive qualities. Better, superior to another in excellence or quality or desirability. Bit, a small piece of information, or small piece or quantity of something. Quantity of something. Bite, to grip, cut off or tear with or as if with the teeth or jaws. Black, being of the achromatic color of maximum darkness. Blue, of the color intermediate between green and violet. Body, an individual three-dimensional object that has mass.
Very good. Adira, are you there, please? Adira, can you read?
Yes. Yes.
Board. Yeah, now book.
Book, an object consisting of a number of pages bound together. Break, destroy the integrity of. Bring, take something or somebody with oneself somewhere. Brother, a male with the same parents as someone else. Brown, of a color similar to that of wood or earth. Build, make by combining materials and parts. Buy, obtain by purchase. Call, utter a sudden loud cry. Can, sir,
airtight.
Airtight. Okay. Airtight sealed metal container for food or drink, etc. Car, a motor vehicle with 4 wheels. Care, providing treatment for or attending to someone or something. Carry, physically move while supporting by vehicle, hands or body. Cause, events that provide the generative force of something. Chance, an unknown and unpredictable phenomenon. Change, become different in some particular way. Charge, assign a duty, responsibility or obligation to. Chief, the head of a tribe or clan. Child, a human offspring, son or daughter of any age. Claim, assert or affirm strongly. Class, a collection of things sharing a common attribute. clear, readily apparent to the mind.
Very good. We'll stop this with this, and we will go into that again. Spoken English. You know, there are tough things also in this material. You must have seen this is the tough one. Nimisha madam, did you go through this? I don't know. This is where we should concentrate and try to know. I will share this with you. Why I am sharing, I know, because you are busy, you don't read things properly. Now, this is what it is. Adira, please read the question, read the word and also meaning for that. Read. Provocation.
Provocation, action or speech that makes someone angry, especially deliberately. Adhere, believe in and follow the practice of. Status quo, the existing state of affairs, especially regarding social or political issues. Ostensibly, as appears or is stated to be true, though not necessarily so apparently.
Ostensibly means it is appearing. Next, depicted.
Yes. Depicted, represented by a drawing, painting or other art form. Elicited, evoke or draw out a reaction, answer or fact from someone. Reiterate, say something again or a number of times, typically for emphasis or clarity. Start, stop or cause to stop making progress. Propping up, to stop something.
To stop something.
To stop something from falling or slipping by placing something under or against it. Culminating, reach a climax or point of highest development.
Very good. Wait.
So
these words are all tough. Culminating, I'm sure many of us would not have heard. Culminating means reach a climax or point of highest development. Now, Varalakshmi, please read from 11.
Soaring, increasing rapidly above the usual level. Tapering, the process of gradually lessening or reducing something. Harbinger, a person or thing that announces or signals the approach of another. Rollback, a reduction or decrease. Kicking, to begin operating or having an effect. Ostensibly, apparently.
I think it is repeating. Yeah, continue. Sought
to, attempt to find something. Alleviate, make suffering deficiency or a problem less
severe. Make it less severe. Alleviate means solving the problems. Yeah, continue. Number 19. Parlays,
a conference between opposing sides in a dispute, especially a discussion of terms for an armistice.
Armistice. Again, we have to find the meaning for this armistice. Yeah. Hold off,
resist an attacker or challenge. Anomaly. Something different, abnormal, peculiar, or not easily classified. To move the needle, to cause a noticeable change in something. Deftly, in a way that is neatly skillful and quick in movement. Fortuitous, happening by chance rather than intention. Roll out, the official launch or introduction of a new product or service.
Very good. Thank you. We will meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow at the same time, 8 o'clock. And we will